Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect Zapier with Basecamp in 2023. Of course, Basecamp is a popular project management platform, and Zapier is an automation tool that connects different apps. So in this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the essential steps to integrate it with Zapier or Zapier with Basecamp. So make sure to stick by, let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, we'll have to go and sign up for a Zapier account. To do so, go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case, you can simply go and open whatever browser you're going to use for this tutorial. For me, as I said, I will use Brave, so I'll just go to the URL section, and here I'll have to type zapier.com and hit the enter button. Once I do so, I'll be taken to their home screen or main screen. So here, make sure to simply scroll down, first of all, if you don't know nothing about Zapier. So scroll down to read more information about the website, and as you can see from here, you will have like a general idea on how the integration is made, and of course, here you'll see like what people saying about Zapier and etc. So basically, just to familiarize yourself with the website if you don't know nothing about it. And of course, other than that, if you have an account, you can always go here to the top right corner and click on login to log in into your account. If you don't, you'll have to go and click on sign up instead to create an account for yourself. You can even create an account using Google if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of logging in or even creating your account. For me, I'll just go here and click on login to log in into my account. And of course, I'll choose login with Google because this will prevent you, as I said, from entering my credentials every time I log in or every time I want to create a new account somewhere. So as we said in this video, we would like to connect Zapier with Basecamp. So first, let's start by searching for Basecamp. Let's just go here to the slash panel and click on apps. Once you do so, just go. Let's just wait for the page until it loads. Maybe the server is slow for some reason or something like that. So we'll have to wait maybe a bit. As you can see, now it goes here. So once we click on apps, we'll be taken to this page. Make sure to go to search apps here, as you can see right here. So make sure to click on that. And once you click on it, just simply type Basecamp. And let's just wait. Just wait for this search until it's finished. And as you can see, we have here, first of all, no matching connections. Those no matching connections, that means you have nothing like signed in. But as you can see, we have new connections that you can add. We have Basecamp 3, Basecamp 2, and Basecamp Classic. So depending on whatever you want, you can simply go and connect whatever you want. If you need them all, you can simply go and connect them, all of them. So let's just start by Classic as an example. Click on Connect. Once you click on Connect, you will have this pop out into your screen. And once you have it, of course, let's just wait for it until it loads, as you can see. So it should not take a lot of time. So here allows up here to access your Basecamp Classic account. Accounts required. So just simply enter your accounts here, and then you'll have to go and enter your API token. Just go to your Basecamp, get your API token, and just enter it right here. Then click on yes, continue to my Basecamp Classic. Other than that, you'll be able to connect Basecamp 2. Of course, as you can see, it will be kind of the same. Here for this Basecamp 2, you'll be simply able to log in with your Google or even email your username, then password. For Basecamp 3, as you can see, let's just wait, it will be the same with Google and email and username, and then password. So once you logged in or signed in into your account, go again to the dashboard. Of course, if you want to do it manually, you can simply go and click on create a zap. Then let's just go here down, and simply here you'll have to choose the trigger and the action. We'll get through that in a moment. If you don't want to do it manually, you can simply go here to this AI tool and simply type here how to connect Basecamp to Zapier as an example here, and connects with two ends, and click on generate. We'll have to wait a bit until it generates it. And of course, they'll even give you the steps or the triggers and the actions, everything by your own, or so you don't have to do anything. So as you can see, this may not be a workflow to connect Basecamp to Zapier. You can try the following, like step 1. As you can see, they're giving you steps. So step 1 this, step 2, step 3, 4, 5. And as you can see, if you need more specific guidance, please let me know. So here's your Zap. you can simply go and click on try it. As you can see, it contains 4 steps. Step 1, new activity on Basecamp. 2, create Zap report if you want to, or append entry and schedule digest, and turn Zap on or off, depending on whatever you want. If you want this, that's cool. If you don't want it, of course, you can always go here and change whatever you want. So you can simply type whatever you want on Zapier here. This AI tool will get you the steps that you want. So enter your specific details and it will get you everything automatically if you don't want to have it or to do it manually. If you want to do it manually, of course, you can simply go here to trigger and choose the trigger app. Once you click on it, of course, here as an example, you'll have to choose like, as an example, just look for Basecamp. So as you can see, choose it as a trigger app. Once you choose it, you'll have to go and choose the event. Let's just choose like Gmail here as an example. Of course, you will have then to choose the event. And so depending on whatever you want. So then you'll have to go and connect that. Of course, for you, you'll already like connect it. So let's just, as we said, choose Basecamp. Here, let's just choose an account like new account as an event. Here, you'll have go then to sign in. And then after that, make sure to set up any trigger options. If you want, you can, of course, customize the trigger options based on your requirement. And this might include like some specifying filters or conditions for the trigger event. Of course, other than that, you'll be able to go for actions. So what action should be made once of course you make the events on the trigger. So as an example, we go here to Zapier and I don't know, like delete a report, or I don't know, do something like code by Zapier. Why not? Why not? And of course, you'll have to choose like run JavaScript or something like that. And of course, you can even choose the action, exactly what it does. So the input data, the code, you can simply run the code here and click and continue. Then make a test. Once you finish, make sure to test the trigger. After setting up, of course, the trigger, make sure to Zapier will test the connection for you. So to ensure it's working correctly, first of all. Then if successful, you'll see a confirmation message. After all of that, once you finish your trigger and action, make sure to test the Zap. Once you've set up everything and set up the action, Zapier will test the entire workflow to ensure everything is working as expected. Of course, as you can see, we have just 2 zaps that we can add, or 1 trigger, 1 action. If you want more, you'll have to go and get one of their plans, as you can see here. If we go back, so if you go back here, as you can see, so let's just go and click on upgrade the plan. So for the free plan, as you can see, you will find here that we have just, as you can see, just single steps zap. For if you want more, you'll have to go and get the starter or professional or whatever you want. So once you get your zaps done, that I guess is good to go for you. You can go, or you find on your zap at the top right corner an option or an on. It's off, you can turn it on. So just turn on your zap if the test is successful, and you will start, of course, automating tasks based on the trigger and action you set up. So that's gonna be it for me today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.